You are very blessed to have found this video, in fact, and make sure you do this today, because the calling is for today. Whenever you watch it, will be the day for you to do it. If too many animals, small animals, are getting attracted to your person or you, that simply means that I will just put this up on the screen for you. So in your past life, maybe spirit guides want you to know not to take life very seriously. In Feng Shui, if you want to check a person's aura, Namaste, this is a very surreal looking deck. As you can see, it's about spirit animals, oracles, and what these spirit animals want to communicate to you, and who are you, what animal are you. We'll pick a couple of cards and what you need to learn through these animals who are dying to tell you this. This is the right time you have found this. Maybe you're very attracted to animals. You always so I just learned that in Feng Shui, if you want to check a person's aura, I can fake as much as I want, right? As a person, you will never be able to identify until you find out somehow. But if too many animals, small animals, are getting attracted to your person or you, that simply means they have a very divine and pure aura around them, which animals can identify and come to them for protection. They feel connected. Animals are somehow very mystical. They protect us. Any cyclone coming up, animals are the first ones to know. So they identify the subtle changes even in the nature. Imagine then in human beings, if you see somebody getting very attracted to someone and you see animals all around them going to them, then please know that person is very trustworthy. Animals are able to trust them. And whoever animals don't go, that means their aura needs work. Of course, they have to work on themselves, and they might not be so safe after all, and they need to work on their energies, okay? So next, what does these animals want to tell you? And let's find out. Play. So swim in the happy joy of living. Inhale confidence and exhale fear. Dive into your wisdom. Go with the flow. So dolphin is one of the most significant soul animal or spirit animal of yours, where this dolphin is always going to communicate to you. No matter how many animals you see, I think somewhere you feel attracted to dolphins. You don't know why. Their aura, you feel very attracted. Simply means, you know how dolphins are very joyful. So the cards are asking you, your spirit guides want you to know not to take life very seriously. Stop crying, whatever sadness you are in. If you don't have anybody with you, then you please know that all these are around you, always protecting you, always looking for you. Okay, so blessed. You are very blessed to have found this video. In fact, this is very surreal. Let's see, one card popped up. Friend. Oh my God. Someone here is like, today I will love without condition. So I think it's teaching us about dogs and how their energies are all about unconditional love. We humans will never be able to learn, but we can appreciate dogs. We can feed dogs. We can take them as inspiration. I choose to be happy. I am a protector and friend. So in your past life, maybe, okay, you were surrounded by these animals, or you are one of these animals. So you could have been a dolphin, you could have been a dog in your past life, and you are the protector yourself. You are the friend in need. So people come to you, they get very attracted to you. So whoever has picked this deck has a divine energy yourself. You are somebody who people come and share their problems, and at the end, when you want to share your problems, there is nobody around. I hear you, I get you, and this is not a very nice place to be, but maybe you are just designed to be that way. You will be a candle where a lot of light is spread around you, and you will be burning and melting yourself. So maybe your just life path is that way, unfortunately. But I hope we all find people who are there for us when we want to share our deepest sadness with them, okay? So change. So there you go. There is a dragonfly I see. So whenever you see a dragonfly, please know you're always protected. What is this dragonfly telling you? This is what you have to write and paste it on your wardrobe today. Do it today. I will just put this up on the screen for you. So if you write this down anywhere in a white piece of paper, pink piece of paper, or yellow, then paste it in your wardrobe. Whenever you open your wardrobe, make sure you read this and you feel it. Okay, just by writing down it won't work. Feel the affirmations and make sure you do this today, because the calling is for today. Whenever you watch it, will be the day for you to do it. And see here, protection. So for few of you, you are the master of finding life's flow. Sea turtle could be your soul animal, spirit animal. Okay, it is meant to find you. So you will be attracted to turtles or clear waters, water, and be in harmony with the rhythm, and your path will unfold. Persevere and you will succeed. You have everything you need to be protected and happy. Trust me, you have a lot of protection and happiness around you. Just find it. It's always within you, deep down, and as well as around you. So wherever you go, see, as turtles live long and they are spiritual, they signify a lot of deeper things and meaning. So if you dream of a turtle, if you see a turtle in your dream, I think I'm having a calling to tell you this. You have to write down a dream journal. There is something deep happening within you. There is a metamorphosis coming your way, and protection is there always. Buy something which has turtle in it. I think few of you have turtles in your house. I think you have them as pets. I don't know if you're in India or wherever it's legal to have turtles. You have it in your house. You love turtles and you have it as your animal with you. Last card for today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful reading. Power. Reclaim your power. I am indestructible. I honor my intuition and go where it leads. Love and gentleness are my strengths. I never give up. I will succeed. And it's a bear there. Okay? So make sure you claim all these beautiful animal energies, and these were all the animals who were with you in your last life, and they have come here again to tell you that they are protecting you, and these were the divine messages you had to hear today. Also, I want to suggest you to drop a comment on which animal you could resonate the most with. I'll tell you mine. I could resonate the most with the dolphin here. Okay? Let's see if we sync there in our energies. Thank you so much.